Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post and upload story on Instagram using your laptop and PC. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to support the video with like. First of all, you need to open Instagram on Google Chrome browser to follow the steps that I'll do. When you open Instagram feed, what you need to do is to click on the three dots in the top right of Google. Then go to More Tools and choose Developer Tools, or you can simply click on Ctrl-Shift-I, or you can also click on F12 to open it. Now what you need to do is to click on this icon here, and as you can see it gives us the phone version of Instagram on our PC. Then we need to refresh the page by clicking on this icon here. And now if you want to upload the story, just click on this top right button here and choose a story. Then choose the picture or the file you want, press open, and as you can see I'm on my Instagram story editor, and you have here the buttons that can help you edit your story. Finally, I hope that you liked this guide. If you liked it, support us with subscribing and liking the video.